incredible! The water is ice cold! This is impossible! How is it snowing? Look at the trees, they're frozen! But the jungle is right there! Hello? Is anyone there? I'm freezing, I can't find the map! So cold! Please, help! Is anyone there? Keep moving. Almost there. You have to survive this. Please help me. What was that sound? They are close, I can hear them. Shelter. Need warmth. Please. I can't move. So cold. 제발.
Keep this close. Don't fall asleep. We are almost there.
Thank you. I was so cold. I was so cold.
Are we safe now?
Thank you. I was so cold. I really appreciate your kindness. They were right there, near the river bend. We have to warn the others. Please listen to me. Are the snowshoes secure? I need to be ready for the blizzard. I have never seen anything like this. It's absolutely stunning and so quiet. I have never seen so many stars. It feels like we could almost touch them out here. The air is so clear. I've never seen anything like it. It's like a sanctuary in the middle of nowhere. How do you survive in this cold?
Oh, thank goodness, we finally made it. Come in, child, come in from the cold. It is warm here.
I'm telling you, it just appeared overnight. It's a traditional bangka from the Philippines.
Gee,
This is nonsense.
I have never seen anything like it. Why is it here?
Бүтэн ити дөйтүтэн сэлжэр бэгалах.
But how did it get through the ice?
It's finally quiet. I made it. I'm safe now. It's so warm here.
It suits you perfectly. You look like a true Yakut.
I feel so warm and beautiful in it.
We made it to the Arctic Circle. It's incredibly cold, but look at this amazing Yakut fur. And yes, that is a tropical boat.
Get everything inside, quickly! The storm is upon us!
Help me with this last bundle of wood. The conditions for transcription are weakly met.
Look at the colors here. It's so green.
We have never seen anything like this.
Are these real animals?
The spirits have chosen you for this task. You must not fail. He says the spirits have chosen you. You must not fail.
See how the river divides. This path leads to the jungle.
And this symbol, Elder, what does it mean?
It's all right, child. Let it out. We are here for you.
These are the words of my grandfather. They speak of the time before the long winter. These pages hold the wisdom of our people. We must ensure these stories are remembered by the future generations.
Shoot them now! They're getting away! Get the torches up! Shoot them, quickly!
They are getting away! After them!
Keep going, almost through here.
We need more help by the south house.
The spirits of our ancestors are watching your decision closely.
He says the ancestors are watching. You must be sure of your heart.
This marriage will secure our future.
He says this union is necessary for the clan's survival.
Wow, that is absolutely massive.
Only the best from Lake Baikal.
This is how you find the big ones under the ice.
It's incredible. I've never seen anything this large.
I am not very good at this yet.
You are doing just fine. See, like this.
You can swipe like this to see the next one.
Ah, look at the colors. It is amazing.
Why is the wind warm? The ice is turning to water.
The sky is opening.
Please don't cry. I promise to return someday. My heart goes with you.
Farewell.